Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make cream cheese frosting. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 package of cream cheese and you just want to let this soften at room temperature. Next, you're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter and you want to let that soften at room temperature also. To soften at room temperature means you just leave it out on the counter to soften. You don't put it in the microwave or anything like that. Beat this for about 30 seconds or so, then you add the other ingredients. Next, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Beat that until everything is mixed together. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. Use your spatula to scrape down the sides. I love cream cheese frosting. It's one of my favorites. I love it on red velvet cake, on carrot cake, and cookies, on anything. As long as it's cream cheese, I love it. Let me know in the comments, what do you like your cream cheese frosting on? The last thing I'm adding is 4 cups of powdered sugar, but I'm adding 1 cup at a time. You want to add 1 cup at a time and beat this on low speed until everything is mixed together, and then you add the other cup. You always want to make sure you scrape down your bowl. You want to get everything in there. When making this, you just have to be patient because it's a little messy, but I mean, it's worth it. Now that you've added all your powdered sugar, you just have to beat this until it's nice and smooth. And that's it, you guys. That was so easy to make. Stay tuned, I have a really nice recipe coming up. I'm gonna show you how to make a carrot cake to spread this cream cheese frosting on, so don't miss it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.